Accuracy and efficiency are critical in every cardiac exam. At VINNO, we've developed an AI-powered cardiac solution tailored specifically for veterinary practice, making every scan faster, smarter, and more consistent. Velp delivers real-time cardiac plane recognition and automated measurements, reducing manual steps and exam time. First, we place the probe over the animal's heart to obtain a clear cardiac image. Velp uses color-coded guidance to help achieve the correct cardiac plane. Red for off-plane, yellow when approaching, and green when the standard plane is reached. Once the green line is reached, tap the Velp icon to activate the function. Velp includes 3 built-in measurement modes, each designed to support different aspects of cardiac assessment. Motion mode helps measure wall motion and heart size over time, ideal for assessing chamber dimensions and contractility. We can perform LV study and measure EPSS under this mode. NB mode records high frame rate cine loops. In this mode, we can perform LV study to assess ventricular dimensions and wall motion. We can also measure the LA/AO ratio, which compares the size of the left atrium, LA, to the aortic root, AO. Pulse wave mode measures the velocity of blood flow through specific cardiac valves. It's commonly used to assess the aortic valve, AV, and pulmonary valve, PV. By evaluating these flow patterns, we can gain insights into left and right ventricular outflow performance, helping detect abnormalities like aortic stenosis or pulmonary hypertension. For mitral valve (MV) and pulmonary valve (PV) measurements, ECG synchronization is required to accurately capture flow velocities during specific cardiac phases. The VCQ function flags outlier values in measurement results. When we move the cursor over an abnormal value, a clinical interpretation will automatically appear at the bottom of the screen. Scan Guide provides step-by-step assistance for 15 standard cardiac views across 4 positions, helping clinicians follow a standardized exam workflow. When we enter Scan Guide, we can choose from 4 available scanning positions. The system then guides us through each step on the screen. Each position includes a set of standard cardiac views. Anatomical diagrams on the touch screen provide visual guidance, helping users follow each step of the scanning workflow with accuracy. Once a position is completed, we can either proceed to the next one or review the report and exit the function. Together, Velp, VCQ, and Scan Guide empower veterinarians to perform cardiac exams with confidence.